Today I'd like to review some Holdkey Cat5e foil twisted pair cable I purchased on eBay in this spool of 1,000 feet. I've taken the liberty already to strip the end of this here. It is a pretty heavy duty cable. It's 24 gauge wire and it looks like it is solid copper, not copper clad aluminum. It has this fairly heavy outer sheath, which is UV treated. It was tougher and more rubbery to cut with this pair of scissors than the typical Cat5 plenum grade cable I work with. It includes a solid drain wire here for ESD and grounding. The drain wire could be stranded. I've seen stranded on some other cable, which is probably nice, less likely to break, but it does seem pliable and adequate. It did include a little bit of clear extra jacketing inside, which I was surprised by. I didn't notice that on the cable specs, but that's a nice surprise. I'm guessing that that's to keep out moisture further. The foil shielding inside is thicker than typical foil, at least on other foil twisted pair cable I've seen. It does have plastic on the foil itself, which is nice to keep it from damaging the wire. It is pretty thick. The thickness of this may make of the overall cable may make it a little difficult to terminate, but I do appreciate the bold coloring on the wires, make it easier out in the field. It's pliable enough. It does hold its shape pretty well, but it's not impossible to bend. Overall, I'm fairly pleased with this. Should do well for an outdoor access point installation.